Warfare has always led to the biggest leaps forward in technology, which each country constantly striving to have the most advanced and capable armaments to protect their interests at home and abroad. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about various advanced weapons that are available and going to be seen in our near future. Adaptive camouflage. The goal of B Systems adaptive camouflage is to mask a military vehicle's infrared signature and shield them from detection by allowing them to blend in with their surroundings. The high-tech camouflage system uses modules, which look like cells in a honeycomb to cover the flanks of an armored vehicle. The modules are made of elements that can be cooled or heated up very quickly as well as controlled individually, allowing different patterns to be created. The vehicle essentially works like a chameleon, able to mimic its surroundings, or copy other objects such as trucks and cars that can be projected onto the panels from a detailed image bank. The vehicle is also able to signal peaceful intent through flashing text messages across its flank or by creating patterns that can easily be recognized by friendly forces. Electromagnetic Railgun. This monster cannon is actually the culmination of over a decade's worth of development and testing. An electromagnetic railgun capable of firing projectiles at over 4,500 miles per hour and smashing through concrete structures 100 miles away. Electromagnetic railguns are said to be the future of warfare as they use laser energies rather than traditional explosive materials and controlled explosions. The result is a longer-range weapon with much greater accuracy. Hypersonic missiles. Since the 1990s, the American Air Force Research Laboratory has been involved in the design, development, and testing of a hypersonic propulsion system with a view to creating a missile capable 4,000 miles per hour. The result is the Boeing X-51 Wave Rider, an unmanned scramjet aircraft designed to be launched from a B-52 bomber or F-35 fighter. Still a work in progress, the X-51 Wave Rider has shown plenty of promise during testing, reaching speeds of over 3,000 miles per hour. Modular advanced armed robotic system. Why send men to do a job when a robot can do it just as well? While most of us live in fear of being replaced by robots, soldiers on the battlefield are probably grateful to see this tracked monster rock up alongside them. The Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System is a heavily armed bot designed to save lives and handle situations too dangerous to send real people into. The Mars robot can be armed with a Gore 100-round M240B machine gun, a grenade launcher, or even used to drag injured soldiers out of danger. Capable of a top speed of just 7 miles per hour, it's just about fast enough to keep up with the troops and has the staying power too, with a battery system capable of running up to 12 hours. Precision-guided firearms. Precision-guided firearms are designed to take the missile lock-on system from fighter jets and apply them to traditional long-range rifle systems. These firearms use target tracking, advanced fire control and heads-up display technologies to help guide a bullet to its target and account for human error to ensure a higher probability of hitting the target first time, even at long range. The first precision-guided firearm system was developed by TrackPoint, an American company who developed a bolt-action system capable of engaging targets accurately at 1,280 meters, even when moving. The result is a scarily accurate rifle with a hefty price tag. Hybrid insect MicroElectromechanical system. Another weapons system straight out of science fiction, this time in the form of bugs. Though it might look like someone's just strapped a circuit board to the back of a beetle, it's actually a basic representation of a technology that's been worked on for decades. Micro-air vehicles and microelectromechanical systems have been in the works since the 1940s and are essentially cyborg bugs and winged creatures that have been enslaved to do man's bidding. A Freedom of Information request to DARPA revealed some interesting truths behind this military hardware that included the implanting of technologies into insects at the larva and pupae stage for the greatest chance of viability. Cameras and tracking devices obviously provide perfect tracking capabilities that no one would expect, ideal for surveilling enemy bodies or even a government's own citizens. Extreme Accuracy Tasked Ordnance. DARPA's Extreme Accuracy Tasked Ordnance is essentially a self-steering, guided bullet designed for military snipers to support improved accuracy over long range in unfavorable conditions. Essentially a smart bullet, this ammo has the ability to home in on targets and even change course in mid-air to compensate for target movement or changes in wind speed. The result is a round that can even be fired by novice shooters and still hit their target with near pinpoint accuracy at long range.